My baby. Oh, I mean Pop's baby. God damn, that thing is sexy. What am I gonna come up with?
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's blast. Out the window like cuss. On the hood of the scraper like.
Lucky's Wheels and Deals. We back out again with another lit video, you guys. Another day, another dollar to make you holla. But goddamn, people always calling me while I'm trying to make a video. But anyways, guys, man, I'm about to pull up over to Walmart, go holla at Bro and Pops. I don't know who they with right now, but I'm pretty sure they with the whole gang and everything, man. We're about to be willing and dealing, making money, spending money, making it do what it do, baby. Let's get it. Oh, that hypey sound. All right, let's go. We got, oh man, yep. Got the truck, jumped out this truck, bam. My baby, my baby. Oh, I mean Pop's baby. God damn, that thing is sexy. What am I gonna come up with? I don't know. I do know, but y'all gonna have to sit there and wait. Y'all gonna have to sit tight. Don't worry, I'm coming all the way different. I'm coming all the way different. Let's go find them real quick. Okay. We gotta bring out the Chevelle, man. So unfortunately, with the IROC, man, we're gonna have to take it to the mechanic shop. For some reason, it still don't want to idle right, man. I don't know if it's the gas or I think it's like the idle control sensor or the one the sensor that's on the throttle body. I remember I changed it a while back and they fixed it, but it probably got out of whack or whatever. Let me get this dirt, man. It was storming earlier and raining, and yeah, y'all know I don't have no garage where I was at, and I parked under a tree and it just, yeah, I know, sad, but we'll get it right, get it tight. Come on, y'all la holla. Come on, man. Look at all that. Look how it beads off. Look at all that wax. Look at all that wax I done put on here. Yeah. Yeah. We still got one car left. And it's the only car I got, y'all. Don't worry, we're about to go to the auction in a little bit and go buy some cars. Bam! So she all cleaned up. My prized possession. My trophy. I ain't really did nothing to this. What all I did to this car? Put new tires on here. All I did, put brand new tires on here. Put this, I think fuel pump on here. And also, I played with the gears. Took that spool out the gears, so I took the spool out the gears, and I can't remember everything. And I broke my damn glasses, y'all. Damn. Well, I'll go buy some more tomorrow. Oh well, stuff happens. At least I still got the lenses. I'm trying to think what costs more, the lenses or the frame. I think the frames cost more than the lenses. But we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and go up in here. Well, tomorrow I'm about to probably go get some other. I'm gonna have to go get some other frames. I ain't wearing this stuff like this, only for today. But go get some new frames tomorrow. But anyways, guys, I need to find me at least a truck. You know, I forgot I have my 87 Monte Carlo SS. I forgot that it's an LT swap, 6-speed automatic, and how much fun that car gonna be. I really forgot that I had that car. I'm over here thinking like the Cavalier, I seen someone said, y'all know how rare that Cavalier is. You might as well fix it up, have your little fun with it, and sell it. I'm on a money-making mission. Everything's for sale. We're about to level up. I'm ready to, I ain't gonna tell you, I ain't gonna talk too much what I'm about to get, but yeah, best believe stuff gonna change around. Yeah. I'm not sure if this car was here. I was looking at this. This one got some low ass miles, so 68,000 miles on it. You know this gonna go high. Let me see. I'm kind of curious. I've been seeing some. Oh, that's what I want. Oh, so I'm gonna want the one that makes a big difference. Having this center console makes a big difference. You get the plug-ins, get all these extra cubby holes that I like. You get this. Oh, yeah, I don't got nothing back there. I'm actually bidding on a 2019 Silverado. Trying to get something, man. I don't want to do no payments with cashing out. I don't want no payments. Which I could go ahead and get that new Z06, but I don't know. It depends how I feel. Dodge, y'all should have got the heck up out of Dodge. You know, the crazy thing is, I was supposed to link up with the homie Ron C, right? And he hit me up right when I was on my way here, but I was like, man, I already left. I guess he just bought a new Impala. He want me to sell him some IROCs or whatever. So y'all probably see him in a future video. Oh, I see something. I see two things that's gonna make me feel good. Oh, let me switch my batteries real quick. Chevy Caprice on the US Max. Look like, is it a 96? 95, and we got a Corvette. I knew it. I knew it was gonna be an 87. I knew it was gonna be an 87. I knew it was gonna be an 87 when I seen it. Tune port. Which one do I want to look at first? I ain't gonna lie, I want to look at the vet first. And the gauges work too. That's how it's supposed to work in the Cavalier. This car is small as hell. Glass roof. Man, right when I got rid of my 87 IROC. Right when I want to get rid of my 87 Cavalier. This one would want to pop up, right? When I was trying to get my whole 87 collection. Now it's time for me to move on. Well, let's see. See if we can pop this hood though. Well, it's a cool one because it got the spoiler and everything. Dual exhaust. Oh shit. I don't even know where the hell is this hood popper at? Hang on, I forgot where the goddamn hood latch at. Oh man. Shit is AC work. Let me look for this damn hood latch real quick. In fact, I need to move this car out of the way. If I can open this damn door all the way. see how this thing drives. It's an 87. It's an 87, man. So this goddamn I don't know where the hell is it at, y'all. Unless it broke off. It must have broke off. Oh, there you go. It must have changed the location. Alright. Yes, guys, I understand that this car comes with, I think they got like 5 different engines for this car. I know the LT1 is the newer one, but 87, my birth year, and that's the one I would have went with, but I'm not feeling the color combination anyways. But like I said, I'm still gonna try to get it, have fun with it, sell it. You know what I mean? Sound good. It sounds good. I bet you that one probably got the LT1 in it. Curious how this thing feels. This thing be moving. Hey, so y'all said why this one just feels like it moves way more peppy. Like this thing moves peppy. Like, it's crazy. This thing moves so goddamn peppy. It drives like way better than the. It drives way better than the IROC. Feels pretty good, I shall say. Oh yeah, man. Yes, I think I need this, y'all. I need it. Feels good. Yeah, I think I most definitely want to add this to my list. But this shit is hot as hell up in this thing. I'm gonna see if that shit blowing straight hot air, making it worse. But this one most definitely adds on to the list. It's too goddamn hot. Oh yeah, we could have been mobbing there. Hot box though. I'm curious to see what this one go for. I'm gonna keep track of it. They got low miles on it. We'll see. We will see. We shall see. Oh no, I didn't even check the headlights. Hold on. They work better than the. Okay. That both work. That's what's up. I'm thinking about getting a Mercedes, man. What y'all think? Nah, let me stop. I already tried to do that. I don't know. I might. You never know. I already got this thing. This thing looks like it's been sitting lowered. I ain't gonna lie. That Corvette seemed very, very claustrophobic. Go ahead and take a picture of this. Oh, is that leaking coolant? Damn it. And this came from a big dealership, so oh, that shit don't matter though. They be all on it. I mean, I'll let you know it's a traded in car. Let's look at this one. Why do they do that? Well, I'll be getting mad about it. They come through rambling through glove boxes. Closing up. I'll make sure we pop this hood one time. Got my. Don't worry about what I got in my cup. What you sipping on, Lucky? Good old LT1. I do understand that these motors do come in these cars, but in the newer version. But I do understand I got one of these sitting in my backyard. I do know that. And I do know that this is a Caprice, not an Impala. Same damn car. At least, you know, the same part. It's the same. It is the same car. This badge different. Alright, let's see what this thing do. Seems like it got a little mist to it. Big cars don't have cup holders. That's not even really a cup holder. That thing ain't really a cup holder, man. It ain't one of those work. That window got stuck. Oh, soak my ass. God damn, it was hot enough out here. God damn, it spilled my whole cup. Weak ass cup holder. God damn. Oh yeah, this thing feels pretty good other than that it's shut off. Seems like it's doing pretty good. if somebody wants to come down here when I come down here. This car is so damn sluggish. And you be like, yeah, this car is so damn sluggish. I think that car gets up. That tune port. Them tune ports ain't no punk. This LT1 was to me a poor design. With the Alti Spark always getting wet from the water pump, making these cars run like crap. I'm all wet. God damn. Man, that shit is nice for my goddamn. God damn. Well, anyways, guys. Oh, that's like Pop's Cadillac where it goes in. Oh, my baby. This must be 2018, huh? Okay, so they dropped to 18. Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna be curious to see what these go for though. I ain't gonna lie. It don't run that good.
What you think that's gonna go for right there, man?
Shit, I don't know, ain't no telling.
It's nice though.
Yeah.
I think about telling on let me get that though.
Hell yeah. Look at you playing if you like them big cars. It's cool. I see the vision though. See that vision. Oh yeah, but anyways guys, let me continue walking. Which way? Oh, I'm going back this way. Alright y'all, keep on pushing. I still got this rest to walk. Already walked all that. Really don't see nothing else up here. It's hot as hell, y'all. And I'm riding in the car with no AC, so I got to get the hell up out of here. But yeah, like I said, man, shout out to the whole U gang. Shout out to the whole Lucky gang. Shout out to the whole goddamn Lucky Nation, man. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Look who's in this, and I'm out. Yay!
Retarded and ride the yellow bus. Turn the car in circles until the time's bust. Out the window like, cuss, on the hood of the scraper.